We move toward 8, 9 o'clock, and you can see that range shifting off to the east, although the clouds are still in place for areas south and east of 95. So we're slow to get those clouds out of the way for those areas. For the rest of us, though, it's mostly sunny as we move through the morning hours and into the afternoon. Region-wide, though, as we head toward noon, 1 o'clock today, we're clearing out, including the Cape and Islands as well. We move into the evening. It's going to be a beautiful night to head outdoors as we do see mild conditions, light wind expected with that sunshine still in place. Temperatures right now are starting to climb through the 70s on our coastline. In Lawrence right now, 70 degrees. Moving down toward Plymouth, just about 70 with a few 60s inland. Highs today reaching on upward. Now, yesterday we topped out in the 70s. Today, reaching back into the 80s. Our average high this time of year into the lower 80s. So we're just a tad above as we move toward Boston at 84 degrees, a few mid 80s along our coastline. And you move toward the Merrimack Valley today. That, of course, is going to be our hot spot where we have highs reaching into the mid 80s as well. Moving in toward Worcester, 78 degrees today. So not quite as hot, but still feeling that warm up when compared to yesterday's heat. Lows tonight dropping down into the 60s, but a few local spots could drop into the 50s, especially as we move out toward the north and west. Orange dropping as low as 52 for tonight with that light northwest wind in place. So as we do see a quiet trend here locally, there is something to watch in the tropics. You can see this cluster of storms that's now taking on a more organized circulation. So it is now labeled as a tropical depression 8 to be exact. So wind is about 35 miles per hour. It's moving north-northwest, and it seems like it's moving right toward the states. But the good news is that just as it starts to make its way toward the states as we head into tomorrow, it's going to start to veer off to the northeast. And the main reason for that is because we actually have a system that's cutting through the country, helping to push it out that way. So that's kind of working in our favor. The one thing we'll have to watch, though, is with that system, the chance of a few showers as we head into the middle of the work week. And that will likely become a tropical storm, but it's well off to our east. And not for tomorrow, but as we head into next Monday, so the 21st, there is going to be an eclipse. Now, not a total eclipse here locally, but a partial eclipse. In fact, the magnitude's about 63% here locally. So if you want to try to catch that between 1:30 and 4 o'clock, but the max time is about 2:45 as we head into next Monday. Sunshine in place for today and tomorrow. We have that next chance of showers creeping in for Tuesday. Not going to be a washout, though, so even if you do have plans on Tuesday, stay tuned for that forecast because we'll time that out as we approach that day. Heading into Thursday, a few showers and storms that may try to linger on into Friday and next weekend.